I'm available for all sort of MyLab courses, MS Excel, MS Word, MS PowerPoint, MS Access Mathematics, Accounting and Statistics, Problems Rock.
Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's session we are taking Excel 3A and 3B simulation exam. I will guide you through this video step by step, making it easy for you to follow, and you can done your exam by watching this video. You can contact me for your assignments, exam, quizzes and for complete course on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my PC screen. I can do all online courses: accounting, finance, math, Excel, Word, PowerPoint, Access, writing, economics, Java, C++, Python and many more online courses. Please add me for your weekly assignments, add me for your weekly quizzes and add me for your complete course deal. I will provide you A+ grade in your complete course with very reasonable price. It's my guarantee. I will handle your complete course. You will be free from this course. I will handle your all assignments. I will handle your all simulation training. I will handle your all exam, midterm and final. I am also handling many students courses on Pearson, Cengage, Blackboard and many more colleges and universities. Let's start our exam to solve it step by step. Question number 1 is that in cell C6 create a formula to divide the value in cell B6 by cell B15. Be sure to make the value in cell B15 absolute. Simply we will click on cell C6, okay? Then we will create a formula to divide the value in cell B6 by B15, okay? Simply click on cell C6, press is equal to, okay, B6 by B15. B15 is absolute and we will enter $sign in cell B15. Okay, press shift and then click on 4 button and then we will tap cell B15 and then press enter. Okay, copy the formula from cell C6 down through cell C7 to C14. Okay, we will copy down the formula C7 through C14. Okay, format cell C6 to C14 with the percent style and center 0 decimals. Okay, simply we will enter this range first and then go to the home tab in the number group. Click on the percent style with 0 decimal places. Okay, go to the alignment tab and then click on the center the alignment. The next question is that create a 3D pie chart using the range A6 to A14 and C6 to C14. Okay, first we will enter this range A6 to A14 and then we will press Ctrl and then we will enter second range C6 to C14 is second range. Okay, then we will go to the insert tab. Then we will go to the insert tab. Okay, go to the charts group, click on all charts, click on pie chart and then we will create 3D pie chart. Okay, then click on OK. 3D pie chart will be created. Move the pie chart to a new sheet and name the new chart sheet survey result. Okay, we will move the pie chart to new sheet. Click on move chart and then we will click on new sheet. The new sheet is survey result. We will tap here survey result, survey results, then click on OK. Okay, question is completed now. The next question is that as the chart title type customer survey. Okay, we will tap as the chart title, we will tap customer survey on the chart title. Simply click on the chart title and then we will type customer survey on chart title. Okay, we will tap here customer survey. Customer survey. To the chart title apply the fill blue accent color 1, shadow what art style in the first row, the second style. Okay, to the chart title, click on the chart title and then go to the what art style and then we will apply the fill blue accent 1, shadow what art style. Okay, go to the chart style, go to the what art style, go simply click on format and then go to the word dot, and then we will apply this blue accent one shadow word dot style in the first row. Change the font size of the chart title to 16 point and then deselect the chart title. Okay, we will change the font size of the chart title to 16 point. Okay, select this and then go to the home tab and then go to the font size and then press 16 point font size on the chart title. Question is completed now. Okay, remove the legend from the chart. You can see this question on my PC screen. Right click on the chart element and then we will remove the legend from the chart. Okay, add the data label position in the outside end of the slice on the pie chart, and okay, click on data label and then click on outside end position, and then the format the data label so that only the categories, name and percentage. Okay, go to the data label, click on more data label and then we will show only categories. We will show only categories and percentage, and then remove the leader line data label span. Okay, you can see this, and then close this. Format the data label with bold and italic. Okay, format the data label with bold and italic and change the font size to 11. Simply go to the home tab, apply bold and italic and then go to the font size in the home group and then home tab and then apply 11 point font size on this data labels. The next question is that use the format data series pen to apply the round bevel effect to the top of the pie chart with the width and the height 512 point. They apply the same effect to the bottom of the pie chart. Okay, go to the format data series. Okay, go to the format data series and go to the 3D format bevel effect to the top of the pie chart. Round bevel, apply the round bevel. Go to the top bevel, apply 512 point. Okay, 512 point, and then bottom bevel. Okay, first we will set the height 512 point and then width height 512 point, width and height 512 point both, and bottom bevel we will set the height 512 point and then height is 512 point. Okay, width and height both are 512 points. Change the surface metal of the chart to metal. Go to the material, surface material, and then we will apply metal. Okay, question is completed now. To pie chart, apply the perspective upper left preset shadow under perspective in the first row. The first shadow style, keep the format data series task pane open. Okay, to the pie chart, apply the perspective upper left. Okay, go to the presets and go to the perspective upper left. Okay, this is good now. Change the angle of first slice to 250. Keep the format data series task pane open. Okay, we will change the angle of the first slice to 250. We will change the angle of first slice to 250. Okay, question is completed now. Explode the internet search slice from the pie by 15%. Okay, first we will select the internet search slice and then we will explode this slice to 15%. Okay, explode the internet search slice by 15%. First we will select this slice and then we will explode this slice to 15%. Okay, 15%. Explode this 15%. Okay, change the fill color of the internet search slice to the gradient fill preset bottom spotlight accent 4. Go to the fill color. Okay, and then we will apply this color. Question is completed now. Format the chart area with the gradient fill using the preset gradient top spotlight accent 6 in the second row, the sixth gradient. Okay, format the chart area with gradient fill using the preset. Go to the gradient fill. Okay, and then we will using the preset gradient top spotlight. Okay, apply a border to the chart area using the color black text 1. Okay, go to the borders and then go to the colors and then we will apply border, the color black 1, solid line, color black text 1. Close the format chart area pane. Okay, question is completed now. You can see I have done 10 questions of this simulation exam. For remaining question and if you want to do for complete course, you can contact me on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my PC screen. I can do all online courses: accounting, finance, math, Excel, Word, PowerPoint, Access, writing, economics, Java, C++, Python and many more online courses. Please help me for your complete course deal. I will provide you A+ grade in your complete course with very reasonable prices. It's my guarantee, no plagiarism, and I will handle your complete course. You will be free from this course. I will handle your all assignments, all simulation training, all simulation exam and midterm and final. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and like my video. If you want to deal for this course, you can contact me on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and the bottom on my screen. Thanks for watching my video. Best of luck to my art students.